Hey, welcome back to the channel and hope that your day is going well. When life gets overwhelming and stress starts to feel too much, how do you manage and cope with it all? Do you try and ignore it and hope that it all goes away? Do you distract yourself with TV, games, or social media? Have you been using substances to numb the pain? If you find yourself attempting to cope in these ways, I'm here to tell you that there is a much healthier way. Today, I want to talk to you all about the beginning of the therapy process. Now, most of you have heard about therapy, but what does it really entail? This video will cover the step-by-step process of your therapeutic journey. So, let's jump right into it. Awareness stage. Stressful situations are a normal part of life, and idealistically, we would like to be able to manage them and regulate ourselves when they come up so that it does not take a toll on us. But in the real world, stressful situations can come out of nowhere and occur with such frequency that we feel like we don't get a chance to catch our breath to recover. We find ourselves feeling less happy and having less energy to get through the day. We try to push forward as much as we can because we believe that we don't have the option of taking a break from life to properly take care of ourselves. When our mind and body reaches a certain point, we may consider other options available to us. This is when we realize that going to therapy is something to be considered. Research stage. After you made the decision to give therapy a try, now it is a time to figure out who might be a good fit for you on your therapeutic journey. With literally thousands of therapists to choose from, it can feel like a lot as far as where to begin. Before you begin scrolling through profiles, here are some things to think about first. Are you looking for in-person or virtual sessions? Planning on using insurance or paying out of pocket? What are your preferences on gender, religious affiliation, age, ethnic background, and years of experience? What would you like to get out of therapy? After you answer most of these questions, start checking out some therapist profiles, and then you are ready for the next step. Contact stage. Now it's time to reach out to at least a few people to see if they are a decent match for you. Most therapists offer a free 15-minute consultation in which you are able to ask questions to help you gauge whether or not you would like to work with them. Feel free to ask about their experience related to your specific concerns, their therapeutic approach, and expectations that you have from each other. I strongly recommend taking advantage of this, as it is better to get a sense of your therapist before officially getting started. This can save you some time and money if you determine early on that this is not going to be a good fit. After the consultation, take some time to compare your top picks and narrow it down to the one you feel the most connected to. One important thing to know is that while a consultation is standard practice, it is not always offered. Some therapists and some online platforms do not offer it, so you may have to specifically ask for an exception or have the initial session just to get a better sense of who they are. Okay, now that you have some awareness of how to get started, make sure to give yourself some genuine credit for taking this difficult step. You deserve to feel better about where you are in life, and you are about to learn some more things that you can apply to it, to these challenging situations that you face, and I hope that things go more smoothly for you. I wish you the best in your therapeutic search, but before you go, feel free to leave a comment on this video, press that like button, and subscribe to the channel so that you can get notified about more content in the near future. Thanks for watching, and take care.